Hi everyone, I'm Hannah Steinman, COO of Peak Support. We've been sharing content from our new ebook on how to launch and execute a quality assurance program for customer service teams. And today I want to talk about why you need QA. So most customer service teams measure some productivity KPIs: handle time, response time, cases per hour. Most also measure customer satisfaction in some way. QA goes beyond these. QA helps evaluate metrics that can't be quantified by your helpdesk software, but are still really important for the quality of service you're providing. So let me give you just one example. Suppose a customer wants to return an item way outside the return window. An agent who's measured only on CSAT, or customer satisfaction, may be inclined to grant this return because it satisfies the customer. But that isn't ideal for the company. With QA, you can evaluate whether your agents are actually following the correct company process. You can also look at things like whether the agent has the right brand voice. Is the agent's answer complete? Is it personalized? With a QA program, you're scoring your agents on these metrics regularly. That helps you identify gaps where training or coaching is needed. So that's a summary of the benefits of QA. A link to our ebook is in the post, and stay tuned to upcoming videos because I'll be talking about how QA can boost company profitability and much more. Thank you.